Hello students and welcome to my channel Learn with Nisha ji। आज हम क्लास 9 साइंस का चैप्टर 3 स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। The chapter is atoms and molecules। So before starting the chapter, you can subscribe my channel to get regular video updates and you can watch all the playlist series in order to complete your chapter. And now we will begin with the chapter. Okay. So, ancient Indian and Greek philosophers have always wondered about the unknown and the unseen form of matter. Okay, the idea of divisibility of matter was considered long back in India around 500 BC. इसमें थोड़ा सा हमें historical background दे रहे हैं atoms and molecules का. Okay, so an Indian philosopher Maharishi Karnad postulated that if we go on dividing the matter, मैटर को हिंदी में क्या बोलते थे? पदार्थ. ओके, वी शैल गेट स्मॉलर एंड स्मॉलर पार्टिकल्स. So ultimately a stage will come when we shall come across the smallest particles beyond which further division will not be possible. जैसे suppose you take a block of wood, आप उसे कट करते रहो pieces में, you keep on dividing, particles generate होते रहेंगे, small particles and all, तो एक stage आएगी उसके बाद आप further divide नहीं कर पाओगे उसे. So that particle is known as परमाणु in Hindi. Another Indian philosopher, Pakudakayayam, elaborated this doctrine and said that these particles normally exist in a combined form, okay, which gives us various forms of matter. तो ये हमारे हिस्ट्री में आइडियाज थे related to matter, how they thought about atoms, how they thought about matter. This is a like background of history. So around the same era, इसी time पे ancient Greek philosophers were there, okay, Democritus, and like they suggested that if we go on dividing matter, a stage will come when particles obtained cannot be divided further. Okay, तो Democritus ने indivisible particles को क्या बोला? Atoms. Atoms is something which is indivisible. Okay, so all this was based on philosophical considerations and not much experimental work to validate these ideas could be done till the 18th century. तो तब तक हमारे पास कोई proper experimental results नहीं थे. Okay, this was just philosophy. But by the end of the 18th century, scientists recognized the difference between elements and compounds and naturally became interested in finding out how and why elements combine and what happens when they combine. Okay, तो उसके बाद उन्हें curiosity हुई. So next comes the laws of chemical combination. ये बहुत important होते हैं. Okay. So after very means all the experimentations and all, these two laws of chemical combination were established by these two scientists. Okay. इनका क्या क्या नाम था? Law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportions. तो ये अभी हम coming lectures में detail में study करेंगे what they mean actually. So thank you for watching the lecture. तो इस लेक्चर में से जो मेन हमारा क्वेश्चन बनता है दैट इज रिगार्डिंग व्हाट आर द टू लॉज. ओके, उनके नेम्स पे कई बार 1 मार्क क्वेश्चन पुट अप कर देते हैं एंड अदरवाइज द हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड इज जस्ट फॉर योर इंफॉर्मेशन. ओके, so in order to watch further lectures, please stay tuned to my channel Learn with Nisha ji. Thank you.